The perfect upgrade is here. What's up guys, we are just 72 hours away from the Unpacked event to kick off, but exciting details just keep coming out. We have the first look at the box of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, a real life look of the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra which just looks so beastly with that beautiful big screen. There are some other confirmed exciting news as well, but let's first talk about Samsung's absolute freebies coming with the S22 series if you pre-order these phones. According to the official info, Samsung will offer Galaxy Buds Pro as the pre-order gift. If you have the S21 Ultra, you can get up to $750 in credit for your purchase. Again, depending on if you have a working S21 Ultra. Now, most markets are set to get Galaxy Buds Pro, but some markets will get Galaxy Watch 4 along with some Samsung credit which you can spend on the Samsung store. In some regions, Samsung is offering $200 on the pre-order of the S22 series. Also, you can see that they have officially embraced the leaks and confirmed the full design and the naming on their official page. I gotta say, once again, Samsung is offering a lot of value to the pre-order customers, and this is definitely going to drive the sales. Now moving on, we have the official first look at the box of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It actually looks very similar to the S21 Ultra's box. It's still very slim. It's not gonna have the charger in the box. Thank you, Apple. We've got the S letter up front and the 22 number in the background. On the bottom, you can see it says the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and judging from the color of the box, this is probably the black model. Now, someone managed to leak a live image of the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra in a store, and look at that display. It is just absolutely massive. We're talking 14.6 inch, like the whole display just screams Ultra. We also have another press marketing image that shows the S22 Ultra alongside with the Tab S8 Ultra, two Ultra products on the same event. Times are crazy. Also, Universe has further confirmed the good news that we talked about in the previous video. The 1TB S22 Ultra model exists, and for now he can say with confidence that the 1TB model is coming to Korean and Chinese market. I hope to see this model in other key regions as well. Now, last but not the least, we have the Galaxy S22 Ultra's camera in action, possibly. Samsung posted a series of night mode photos from the Beijing Olympics, and you can see we have stunning result, lots of detail going on. As we know, night mode is the single biggest camera upgrade for the S22 Ultra, so there's a really high chance that these samples were actually taken on a Galaxy S22 Ultra. Again, judging from the detail, it looks pretty good. It's a proper night mode photo without turning things into a day or anything unrealistic. But let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. That's all the news. Stay tuned for all the coverage that is coming out this week regarding the S22 series. I'm super pumped. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.